Morning, boys. Excuse me. We're most probably going to start the session with a trade, man. That's a 3-2-3 right there. Yeah, let's see if Price wants to come back and get this. Sherry, hi, bro. Yeah, the first one here, man. Good morning, brother. That's 3-2-3 right there. Let's see if Price wants to get us. Carlito, hi, bro. Good morning, man. How's it going? Thank you for joining, bro. Sarath, bro, good morning. Don't know about 3-2-3. That's where exactly I bought. That's awesome, man. You, Sherry, bro, you take trades before the session starts? I'm curious, man. Abdullah, good morning, man. Uh, okay, this happened. So too many things happening today. What is today? Friday already? Wow, what a week. 17th Friday. All right, what do we have? What? Oh, come on. Why is this guy speaking in the morning, boys? What the? This is going to be an issue, man. How's he awake, bro? What's the time in US at 6:30 in the morning here? I mean, he's speaking at the White House? Only speeches that were directed back. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. I think we'll have to stay out of 6:30, boys. Carlito, yeah, man, that's a buy limit. Yesterday, did you hit TP, bro? Yeah, man, I did. Let me show you. Nidhi, good morning, bro. Thank you for joining, man. There you go, boys. That's yesterday's TP. Let me show it in 5 minutes. Because 1 minute, guys, this trade took 11 hours, man. 11 hours right there. This trade yesterday that we took the last trade took 11 hours to go to TP, boys. Insane. But at this point, okay, it's around 5 p.m. There was orange folder news coming on. I think that was unemployment claims for the week. And me and my best friend we were debating what to do because there's a news. It is orange folder, but should we be in the trade? So this was happening even before the news. So that week, the red week that you see here, before the news. Let me take this off. Sessions. Thank you. So this was happening before the news. And we were like, what do we want to do? Do you want to keep this? And I was like, the hell with it. We'll let it run. It's just orange folder news. And then this happened, man. Poof, bro. And then he fell to Mother Earth. Good trade, boys. As soon as I woke up, I'll check the market. If there is a setup, I buy. That's awesome, bro, Sherry. I'm happy that you do, man. Oh, oh, I totally forgot about stop on, bro. What's going on? That's a buy right there, man. What? Hold on, boys. Wait, did I get that confirmation? Hold on, boys. Too many things going on today, so I forgot the confirmations. Let's go. Thank God, that's not a confirmation. Sorry, that wasn't confirmation enough for me. Um, What am I supposed to do now? Okay. There is news at 6:30. Guys, it's not healthy to be sitting inside a trade at 6:30 because Trump is going to be speaking. So until then, I think we will just sit here. Hey, hold on. Is that a supply? Give me 1 second, boys. This was tapped, and yeah, this wasn't. Yeah, I'm just trying to understand what's going on. Hold on. Yeah, this supply is not tapped. Where is the box? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's top hunt. Give me 1 second, boys. Let me come back to the chat. Oh, again? Looks like yesterday's sweep. Guys, remember, not yesterday, I think it was Monday. Look at the sweep right here. That's a low created by New York. Sweep, right? Remember the news scandal prior incident? Yeah, right here. Again, same thing. Look at this. New York, right? And then look at this sweep. Exactly similar to this morning. Look at that. The sweep that happened. We caught, remember, guys, we caught an initial trade here and then we ended up taking a trade somewhere here. Yeah, this was the candle trade again. And then we got a TP there. Same exact scenario this morning was. Look at this. Same candle, almost. Wasn't meant to be, though. All right. So I have a limit order towards the upside sitting down there for 3 to 3. Right now, I'm just looking for stop and. All right. Back to the chat. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Currently, at 2 a.m. in South Africa, what's the buy limit price? 2 a.m. Carlito. I, bro, hats off to dedication in trading, man. Okay, let me give you the price for the limit. I'm not sure what's going to happen because I don't usually let trades run over 1:8. If this runs over 1:8, I'd say bye-bye to that setup because I want price to tap me in before it gets to 1:8. For now, this is where the limit is at. Let's see if it runs. Entry, please, bro. There's no entry yet. I'll let you know if I see one, bro. All right, that's the tap. Fall, then push up, then down. All right, boys. I'll wait for the next 5-minute candle and see if we can catch a trade. So at this point, we're gonna wait. Raj, good morning, man. I hate looking at the phone in the morning, boys, because as soon as I woke up, I saw some criticism in Insta. It was fun. I had to shut him down. He's like, "You got lucky with 3 on 3. That never work. Please don't fool beginners." And I was like, "Bro, you got two 1:20s with this. Here's the videos. Check it out, brother." Choke on that. Long or short? Bro, don't have a confirmation here, bro. Hold on. Mohammed, good morning, brother. All right. I can't take a shot here because I have a long waiting for me. So it's going to be one of those days where if I get a shot, I can't take it. So, boys, let's wait. It looks like it's going to be a shot. If that's a shot, I'll let you guys know, but I can't take it personally um, because of my limit order sitting here towards the long. If I take two trades at a time, they'll blow my account. So that's not possible, boys. That's the limit right there. If prices has to come back, yeah, I'm not ready to blow an account, boys. What's the buy limit? Right here, bro. Carlito. 3980. That's the limit. That's for a 3-2-3 setup. Let me show you, man. That's 3-2-3 right there, bro. That's three candles, two candle supply, and three candles after the supply. That's the pullback I'm waiting for. If price comes back, we wait for a tap and then fly. If that makes sense. But today, boys, usually 6:30 is eventful. Today, it's gonna be much more eventful because for some reason, what's the time in the US, man? 6:30 a.m. in China. 9. Why is he speaking at 9 p.m. at night? Doesn't he get sleepy, man? I don't know what he's doing. So hopefully price comes back, taps, and then flies before that. Trump speaks only. Yeah, man. Bro, you shouldn't take it lightly, man. Trump speaking. If he says something, bro, the market is gonna go wild, man. I don't want to blow my account today, boys. Is there any trade going on? Shafiq, not yet, brother. I'm waiting for an entry. If this is to the upside, I will take one. If I do confirmation towards the buy side. Hold on. I'll let you guys know. Hold on, I'm gonna lock in. We have 1.5 minutes in this candle. If I get a buy, I'll let you guys know. Right now, it doesn't look like it because I can't take a sell here. Hold on. What's that called? Yeah, it's looking more like a sell, boys. I can't take a sell. Let's see if this setup saves us. – 25 seconds. Yeah, that's a 90% confirmation towards the downside. 14 seconds. I'll let you guys know, but I can't take this, man. So, 6, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, boys. That was a sell signal right there, but I can't take it. Right now, I'm just waiting. Let's see if we get saved or if we get pissed in the morning. I'm just drawing around the zones. Hold on. All right. So usually with this, I let price breathe for an hour max. So from this supply that was created, 523, 623, I can wait for it to be tapped. But after that, I'd say sayonara to that supply. So for now, we'll wait, boys. Let's see if we get tapped here. I'll come back to the comments. All right. Long or short, that should have been a short man, but I'm not taking it because of this 3-2-3 setup right here. GK trade. Mohammed, good morning, brother. How's it going? Thank you for joining, bro. What's the buy limit? I did say that. Is there any trade going on now? XM broker is good. Bro, you cannot legally trade in XM, man, if you're trading gold or any forex pairs if it's not combined with INR. So any pair, let's say GBP USD, that's illegal. That's considered illegal in India, man. So if you're from India, bro, have some news, man. If they find out, they're gonna fine you heavily, man. At what time do you go to sleep? Shut up, bro. Good question, bro. I nowadays, after I saw the video on Instagram, I'm having my dinner before 7:15, and I did take advice from Sherry, bro, that it's good to follow that routine. So I'm having dinner earlier on than usual. Usually I have it around 8:39, but nowadays I'm being very strict on the dinner timing. So I have dinner at 7. Now I sleep at 9:30, 10 max. I get to the bed by 9:30. 10 max, I'm walking on the clouds, boys. And I wake up at 5 sharp. So how much? 7 hours sleep. Mahendran, welcome to Discord, my brother. Yeah, Price wants to run without typing us in, boys. It's unfortunate. Yeah, that's way over my limit for today. That ran to a 1:10 without the buffer. So I don't think I'm going to keep this supply, boys. Yeah. I'm going to avoid the supply for 3 to 3 because it ran too much. Hold on. Where is it? But it did save me a stop loss this morning. Glad. So I'm just deciding if I want to let it run to 1:8 before the buffer or after the buffer. Interesting question to have, right? What's the TP, bro? Bro, there's no trade here, man. Don't worry, man. This hasn't been taken. I can't take a bite to the upside. So why not? We'll let it run to 1:8 without the buffer. I'm sorry, with the buffer and see what happens. If it comes back to tap me in, I'll let it tap. So in short, I still have that entry. Let's see if that works. But it saved us a stop loss. If we took a sell there, man, I would have been smacked. Buy limit is there. Yeah, bro. Shafiq, it's still there, man. That's violated. Oops. Like I said, boys, this looked juicy, man. This low was perfect. But this was tapped 105 in the morning. I can't do anything about 105 in the morning. But very similar to the other day, man. Let me show you that trade that we took. Where is it? Oh, I was explaining this, so I've taken that off. You see this? Yeah, very similar, boys. That happened on the prior session. Price came back to tap. We entered initially here on a long stop loss somewhere there, and then targeting 1:3. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. This trade, remember, boys? And we entered again somewhere here because this was a place where we got two 1:3 on 3s. Sorry. So see this created big wick candle. I'll show you that again today. Same scenario, man. A low in New York. Again, similar wick candle. Look at that. That takes supply. I'm sorry, that takes stop hunt. And then you get the confirmation to enter. If this happened, excuse me, if this happened during the session, bro, we would have been in, man. That looks glorious. Is this stop hunt strategy unusable in Nasdaq indices? Yeah, bro. I tried using it, man. I got smacked. Oh, stop hunt? Sorry, man. I thought you were referring to 3 on 3. No, bro. You can try it. You can actually backtest the strategy, man. It's pretty decent. You can try it, bro. Bro, the reason why I execute that in gold is because it's much better in gold during Tokyo. So that's why I'm executing it here. But you can go ahead and try it, man. Yeah, boys. Madan, bro, good morning. How's it going? He calls me sir. I feel honored. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I I don't get called sir often, so you're doing any top-down analysis take day? No, bro. I don't do multiple time frames, man. Just stick to one time frame and I don't do imaginary stories, bro. Thinking this is what price is trying to do. Sorry, man. It's just me, bro. We just react to price during the time frame, man. So that's the next stop and zone. If I get a buy trade here, I might take it, or even a sell trade for that matter, because at that point my trade will become invalid. Guys, excuse me, I think it's very smart to wait until 6:30 to take a trade today because I don't want Trump interfering, man, with me and my account. That's gonna that's gonna suck, bro. My best friend is not responding, so it's up to me to take the decision whether to keep this. Uh, God. This is still valid. Let's keep it. Let's see if price comes back and let's see if it holds. What do you guys think? Should we trade before 6:30, bro? Remember, Trump will start speaking at 6:30. Mohammed, welcome to Discord, man. I'm sending you a personalized message. Welcome, bro. Can I proceed a buy limit? Bro, I still have it, so it's up to you, man. I still have the buy limit. I'm waiting, but I'm skeptical about this, boys, because 6:30 is 30 minutes away. And if Trump starts talking, the price is gonna go mad. Because if he says, "Oh well, we're doing it again, we are bombing Iran," and then we have bonkers in the price happening, man. I mean, that's the closest imitation of Trump from me. I'm just thinking too hard now, um, because I've worked so hard for this account. I don't want to just blow it because of this guy. Should I have an open trade? Guys, the hell with it, man. I'm not going to trade until Trump speaks and market, gets stabilized, bro. So I'm going to take that off, bro. Shafiq, if you're seeing this, man, I don't have a trade open, bro. I'm just going to close it, boys. I'm going to be sitting idle here until 6:30, man. I love my account too much to blow it, bro. I can't do it because of news. You see right here, today's Friday. This bugger is scheduled to speak exactly 6:30 in the morning. This never happens. He never speaks during freaking Tokyo. I don't know what he thought today. He's scheduled to speak at 9 p.m. Even if this is the TP, man, I'll let it be, bro. We can watch this, but I won't be in this, man. I'm also from Chennai. Bro, hi, man. Which part of Chennai, brother? Nowadays, it's not AMD, all AMT. Bala, can you explain that, man? I'm not sure what AMD and AMT is. Sorry, man. Ignored me. How can we connect? OMR, that's good, bro. Bro, text me, in Discord, bro. We can connect through Discord, man. Boys, this is not valid. I'm not going to take it, man. Unfortunately, boys, I can't risk the account. Yeah, there is half hour for Trump to come in, but this trade usually runs throughout the session. I can't risk this, man. So we'll just watch this. Again, I'm not going to take this. It's up to you people. I won't risk my account, bro. This account is in the making for 4 months. I can't blow it in one trade, boys. I'm not willing to do it because it took a lot to get this account where it is right now. Even if it's in drawdown, I don't mind because in the second phase, bro, I don't want to blow this. So we'll watch. I'll put the indicator on so that it's pretty clear. That's 323. Let's see what happens there. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but nowadays, nowadays it's Trumpution. Bro, now I agree, man. Sorry, bro. I didn't understand. I'm not an ICT trader. That makes a lot of sense now, bro. Bala, bro. Accumulation, manipulation, and then Trumpution. I'm also from Chennai. Wow, a lot of guys from Chennai today. I love that, man. Hi, bro. I'm happy you guys joined, bro. At 6 in the morning. I love the dedication, boys. Hats off, man. Welcome to the live. Because I know how much it takes to wake up before 6, that too consistently. Man, I've been doing that for the last 20 years, I think. Yeah. So, hats off. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. Bro, hi, welcome. Happy that you're here. It's a dream to visit Thailand, bro. You're living the dream, my brother. Boys, so the verdict is I'm going to be chilling here until 6:30 and I'll be looking for trades after 6:30, man. I've never done this because I never restrain myself from taking trade for orange folder news, but this is the orange man news. I mean, you got to respect the man, bro. He has the power to change any market with one word or two. So I'm going to respect him today, man. The orange man will be in action in the next 27 minutes. I don't know what happened. My best friend is not replying. He wasn't well last night. I'm waiting, boys. Should I call him? Let's wait. So this is going to be interesting. Let's see what price does after it taps. Shari, having dinner at 7 p.m. is getting to me, man. I'm very hungry, bro. Early in the morning. I'm extremely hungry, bro. That's why I have this plain old water. Guys, again, I'm not in this. This, at this point, is just a mock trade. So we're just going to have fun with it, just watching it for once. Imagine if this taps and goes to a 1 to 50. I'll jump off my balcony, bro. Never. Good morning, brother. No, man. There is some very important stuff happening at 6:30. So there's only 25 minutes until that happens. So I won't be placing a trade here, boys. Any trade, and I highly suggest you guys don't do because guys, once Trump starts speaking, bro, you never know what the market is gonna do. Yeah, if it goes in your direction, amazing. Congrats. But if it goes against you, there is high chances that if you're trading a funded account, you're gonna blow it. So boys and girls, I can't take that risk. My account is too precious. Right now, I'm like Golem, bro. Is that a movie? I don't know what that is. Um, I'm like this. My precious. Where's the ring scene? Oh, there you go. My account is like this, boys. My precious. I'm gonna protect it like the ring from Lord of the Rings, bro. What a character, man. I love Lord of the Rings, boys. Have you guys seen Lord of the Rings? I mean, one of the best franchises ever, man. If you haven't seen Lord of the Rings, boys and girls, I highly recommend that you take a look at it. I wish I was you because I want to forget everything and then start watching it for the fifth time from the beginning. Yeah, watch the whole series four times, boys. Freaking love it. You guys are silent today, man. What's going on? Why? It tapped the first candle. So the first candle got tapped right there off the supply. Hasn't come down to tap the second candle. Very interesting. Once again. All are silent due to Orange Man. Abdullah. Yeah, bro. Orange Man can have that effect, man. The Orange Man. What a name. Salman. Hi, bro. Good morning. Where you from, brother? Uh, what I've seen amongst a lot of new traders is they can't seem to take a loss. I agree, bro. Very, yeah, man. Taking a loss for them is like watching a murder being committed, bro. They'll run from it. I mean, what's your view on Trump live speech? What should we expect? Bro, Salman, he is the most unpredictable MF I've ever seen, man. Bro, one day he'll be like, boys, we're gonna stop the war. And then the next day he's like, we just bombed Iran. Like, like, what is wrong with you, bro? I mean, bro, I'm gonna be too honest with you, man. I have no clue what he's gonna do, bro. He's just a wild card, man. And Sherry, getting back to the important subject. Yeah, bro, taking a loss for them hurts. I was just looking at the stats today, boys. For this month, okay? Look at how many stop losses I've taken, okay? Just count this, bro. Uh, Let me do it for you. So 16 stop losses, okay? 16 stop losses with this strategy alone. Only five take profits. That's 1:3, right? So 5 into 3, that's 15 risk to reward. And we've taken 16 losses. After that much of a gap between the winning and losing, I'm just $100 behind. Because of the 1 is to 3 risk to reward, I'm just $100 behind. I should have been. Because the just because the account dropped below 50%, I had to reduce the risk because both of the TPs I got were below 300. If I kept the risk, guys, I've been just minus $100 with this strategy. Right now, I'm minus 363 with this strategy because of the risk reduction. But purely speaking of just the wins and losses, 16 losses, that is $1,600. Five take profits, so 100 per risk, and then so 300 per take profit, that's 1,500. So I should be down just $100. Do you understand the math behind this, boys? Five take profits will give me 1,500. 16 losses will give me 1,600. So I'm just down $100 for this strategy, man. Yeah, this is a 650 down after 13 losses in a row. That's fine. But if he gives me one TP, that's a 1 is to 12 or a 1 is to 25. So let's keep 313 aside because that's a wild card. But strictly speaking of bloody 313, I'm sorry, bloody stop hunt, this is the math behind it, boys. 16 stop losses, just 5 will almost break you even. Okay, that's the math behind it. Even if you're having a bad month, boys and girls, that's what you got to be thinking about. All I need is 6 trades to be positive, even if I'm getting 15 and 16 stop losses. So that's something to think about. I hope you do think about it. BOS means break of structure, breakout failure. So it's what I'm trading. Let me give you an example, man. So it's been tapped, I think. Has it been tapped? No, barely. So here, if you see, there was a shot, right? This was taken. That's a shot right there. Okay. Example, boys. Example. Excuse me. So this is price failed to break from this stop and zone. And if let's say we're taking a continuation to trade towards the upside, that's structure is broken, price is just going. It's just for the data that I'm collecting to see if price failure works more than price rejection and continuation. Okay. Simple, man. That's the abbreviation. So, boys and girls, you got to understand hope. You got to understand how risk to reward and win rate works because that's the important stuff. Can I take buy limit? Bro, it's just a mock trade, man. I'd suggest not to do it, bro. There's only 17 minutes left for Trump to begin his speech. Do not take trades now, boys and girls. I wouldn't take it. We're just playing with this trade, man. Nope. See, mock trade. Do you want me to put don't take this? Let me put that. Don't take this trade, please. Right there. Please don't do it. Okay. He agrees. Thank you, man. Sherry made an important point. I appreciate you making that, bro, because that is very important, boys and girls. You cannot let stop losses phase you. It's going to affect you. Taking 16 stop losses, it's going to affect your psychology. It's going to affect your life. It's going to affect your mood. But trust me, it's not going to affect your account if you have a 1 is to 3 risk to reward with a 30 to 40% win rate. When you have that, boys, you're going to be okay. It almost tapped. Uh, right now, I feel so relaxed, bro, without taking a trade before the news. If I took an entry somewhere up here, bro, I'd be kicking myself, bro. Because anything can happen if if Trump starts speaking. Trading is like business. Wins and losses are a part of it. Initially, I was scared of losses too, but then we grow out of it. Yeah, bro, Sherry, 100%, man. Guys, once you keep doing it day in and day out, you'll get to a point where getting stop losses and getting stopped out won't phase you, man. It'll be like it'll slide right off you, bro. I'm glad that Cherry has got to that point. I'm I'm there because the amount of stop losses I've eaten over the years, bro, I can't tell you, man. Those many stop losses. So you get used to it and you understand the math behind it, and it won't bother you anymore. Because, boys, when I started, so I do have a small, hold on. So this was the sheet from back then, I think from 2024, I think. Let me show you that. That's the sheet from back from 2024. Initially, when you start, bro, I think this is not where I started, but this is the first sheet that I created. So back then, it's all rainbows and sunshines, boys. When I started, those are the three trades in the sheet. When is this from? That's 6th November 2025. Oh, that was pretty recent. Hold on, that's not the sheet I'm talking about. Sorry, that's the sheet I'm talking about. That's 21 November, I think, 2024, 2023. Let me see a screenshot, man. Hold on. Guys, we have news. There's no point in looking at the chart right now. When is this? 2022, right there. Okay. See, I was trading with trend lines. That was everything that's going on, man. There's EMAs, trend lines going on, all the charades. That's how I started, man. This is a demo account, okay? Imagine that's a demo account, okay? Green, bro. Very green. All right. Once I switched, what is this? Where is the actual thing, bro? Yeah, there you go. Sorry, man. Sorry for the back and forth. This is the actual thing. I'm not sure what that was. I think that's when I figured something out. Different sheet. Boys, sorry. We made it. Yeah, this is the actual sheet. Initially, my first trade was a TP for 3% in one trade. Okay. And then risking bonkers on the trades, getting 5%. And then, boys, when time passes by, you try different things in different accounts. You start taking SLs. I mean, this is my younger brother. He was also trading with me, so he's doing that. So look at this. It flipped very quickly. This is the 100K account, and that was live. In a sense, that was a real 100K account, which I bought with money. I mean, I was getting whacked, boys. Whacked. So this is the younger brother, and that's me. Yeah, man. But the thing to learn from this was I was trading way too much in a single day. Look at the amount of trades I've taken. Guys, how many trades is that? On one day, that's 13 trades in a single day. So this is how you realize, this is why I tell you have a journal, because you can look back at it and realize what you're doing wrong with all the experience that you've collected over a period of time. This told me that, bro, I'm trading way too much. I shouldn't be taking these many trades, man, in a single day. Yeah, I was taking profits here and there, but all these negative trades in one single day was hurting me, man. Look at the 14th of October, boys. Look at the amount of trades. That's 10 trades in a day. Bro, you'll kill accounts in single days, right? So this is what I was doing. At a point, I was also trading something called RTY. I think it's the top 2,000 stocks for the US. Boys, there was so much going on. And this is when I stumbled into BTC. Boys, I was printing money with BTC, man. Look at all this. This is real money, boys. This is not a mock account. I was just printing money every day, boys. Sorry. So that was a good that was a good time, boys. And majority of this is BTC. I hope I'm not boring you guys. We did I did manage, you know, to get a good amount from BTC. But again, after that, it all faded. I was blowing accounts here, boys. So the summary is Do not risk too much. Do not overtrade, and it's fine to take stop losses if you have the right back testing done and the strategy to prove it that your strategy works. Get the data and you get it, bro. Hold on. Yeah, my best friend is up. I'm inquiring how he is today. God's sakes. Hold on. Almost a tap. Um, we couldn't do it, man. We couldn't do it. It's better to stay away from trade Trump. Nidhi, yeah, man, that's why I haven't taken a trade this morning, bro. Yeah, Trump fought gold rocket. But this would have been glorious if we caught an entry here, boys. Look at that. Price is already at 1:3. It This is touch and go because you never know what's going to happen in the broker that you're trading with. So maybe, maybe not. Stop hunt, is it applied on external structure? External structure. Let me think of that. So in your terms, bro, it should be liquidity. Stop hunt has been applied in liquidity zones. Okay. Reason why I don't call it liquidity is because liquidity traders are only looking for shorts. I mean reversals. I look for both, right? So that's why I keep it as stop hunt. It's very different from liquidity in terms of how I approach these zones. So that's why, man. Yeah, boys. This is just unfortunate, man. Trump is mean. Boys, 6 more minutes before he starts yapping. We'll wait. Sorry, boys. Got distracted. Come on, bro. Let's have a tea together. Let's see Trump what he's going to do. Nidhi, bro. Yeah, man. Let's get tea, bro. Let's see what. Sit back and just enjoy what market is going to do after, because I'll be holding on to my seat while he's speaking, man. If I'm in a trade, I don't want to be doing that, bro. Bro, do you have tea time in your house, man? Like I do. For us, it's a family get together every day in the morning and in the evening. So me, mom, dad, and wife, we have tea together, man. That's fun. I hope you guys do too. Spend time with your family, boys and girls, because life is too short, man. You have Trump bombing everywhere, bro. Live it. Buyers aggressive, right? Yeah, bro. If this tapped, man, it would have been really nice to see, bro. Guys, we have 4 minutes. Let's wait and watch. Yeah, you can't take this anyway now. Don't worry. Can you do Trump's live speech? Can we actually see it? Will I get a copyright strike if we do it? You guys tell me. I don't know. I don't want my channel in jeopardy, bro. I think it's okay, but can we? Wait, let's ask GPT, bro. Oh, that's Canva. Yeah, Sherry says don't, man. I'll respect it, brother. I'm not gonna do it, man. And Mark stop at zone here. Is that okay? Sharath is asking a good question. Let's go. Let me check that, bro. Sharath, bro. Hold on. Oh, you're in the spot, right? So let me check which zone that is. Hold on. 4017. 4017. Up there. Oh, this? Yeah, man. 100%, bro. Sharath, bro. Stop and zones are simple, man. It's just it's just it's just where price reverses from, bro. So if you could draw this line without breaking it, like visible reversals, right? You can see it visibly reversing from an area, usually aggressively, right? So that's what I'm looking for, with these zones. And you can also draw lesser visible reversal zones if you're going aggressively at it. So it should work, man. You're right, bro, Sharad, man. But but before I consider this one, I'd be considering this zone right here. You see this zone, bro? This is what is this? The price is 3996, man. That's a good zone, brother. Because it look at the push up and push down from it. So initial leg up was beautiful, and then violent push down. Perfect zone, bro. A lot of people will be sitting on top of this, man. That is a good stop and zone. So if you guys could draw that, that's beautiful. But imagine if we took that. 2 minutes, boys. 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna regret it if I would have regretted it if it tapped the zone. It didn't. I'm so happy that it didn't because that would have been sweet. 1 more minute. We're watching, boys. It's a good idea, but not sure on the strike. Yeah, boys. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna do it, boys. You can do it. I think it's in Fox News YouTube channel. I don't want to get a copyright strike, boys. Again, this channel is also like the Lord of the Rings ring, my precious. But what what a beautiful missed trade. Let's see, 20 seconds, boys. 20 seconds to 6:30. And again, remember, it's how long he speaks, right? It's just not he says good afternoon like the Fed, like the previous Fed chair, and then price goes poof. It's not like that. It's how long he's going to be speaking, and is he going to be dropping any bombs on live? It's because of that. Okay, we got to be very careful until he stops speaking, man. I think I'm gonna watch it on my phone and make sure that he stops speaking at some point. Let the crazy begin. I'll be disappointed if this goes like slow. Well, now he's just saying hi, boys. Hi to amazing people. Didn't you hear that? Good question. What's going on? That's not live. Okay. He's not speaking yet, boys. That's some fake news. Fox says that he will address an election matter. Yeah, bro, Sherry, he's not live yet, man. That was something else that said live. People faking live news, man. He's live now, boys. Yeah. You guys can hear it, right? This guy's hilarious, man. This has been tapped, bro. God, this guy's delusional. Yeah, bro. Classic. That's been tapped. Yeah, bro, Nidhi is just waiting, man. Good morning. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, bro, Rajat. Welcome, man. I'm sorry, guys. We can't do anything else. We just have to listen to this bugger speak because this is gonna move very violently when he's gonna speak about war, right? Let's wait. Yeah, bro, the Trump Mama will bang, man. Carlito, even I have the same feeling, bro. It might just bomb up. Man. You gotta be kidding me. Sorry, that's a different account. So what happened to the premium account, man? What the? Hold on, boys. I'll get back to it. Not much reaction yet, man. No one entered the trade till now. Yeah, bro. You want to continue this, or you just want to chat, boys, because he's just spouting his chest, man. I mean, he's just saying, "Yo, we did all this." I don't know what to do here, boys. You tell me. I don't want this to become boring, boys. It's kind of boring, man. We did we did kind of miss a good entry, bro. That should have been a beautiful entry. With the buffer, yeah, it's a touch and go, but that should have happened. Ran up to honest to eight. Right now, I'm like, why did this guy do it? Why does he have to speak during Tokyo? You guys slept? Yeah, I'm just gonna watch until he completes the speech and then decide to take an entry. But if you guys have any questions, just put it down in the comments, man. We'll talk about something else because listening to him, you know, pisses me off. Bro, this would have been glorious though. It's just chopping around at this point, trying to decide if it wants to fly up or fly down. Um, that's that's highly dangerous, man. I just want this guy to stop, bro. Imagine if this guy wasn't there, I most probably would have caught this, man. Because I usually keep my entries slightly higher. Maybe I would have been tapped. Yeah, man, I would have been tapped for this. Yeah, F this guy, bro. The amazing turn of events. Like I said, I'm gonna dread looking at this if this runs to a 1 is to 40, boys. I don't know what he's saying. I've kept it in mute, but whatever he's saying talks. So look at these candles here, pretty healthy, right? Look at these ones, man. Very indecisive, bro. Wicks to both sides. It's very confused. These ones are healthy, man. This is the usual price action that we get. This is just shopping around, like confused and getting ready maybe for a dump or a pump. Like Carlito said, even I'm thinking something is about to pop. No, Shafiq, bro. There's nothing, man. I'm not gonna trade until this guy stops talking, bro. He's still talking. We can't risk it, brother. That's simple, very simple, man. Have you guys jumped in any trades? Sherry, bro, are you in any trade, man? Bro, you're sitting on longs, bro. You know, ah, I'm jealous, bro. We should have been sitting on this long. Yo, you still hold on when news is happening, man. I'm just surprised, bro. Daily attendance done. Sai, how's it going, bro? Good morning, Sai. Bro, Sai, yesterday I saw a text come in from you in the DMs saying hi. That happened in the drop down, but when I went into your chat, I couldn't see anything, bro. And in your name, it says a minus, man. What's going on, bro? Is everything okay with your Discord? SL is SL is in place, so I'm not worried. Sherry, bro, what happens if your SL is not recognized by the system, man? Carlito got his liquidity sweep. Let's go. Bro, Carlito, that's what I was explaining this morning, man. That looked like a beautiful sweep right there, boys. This week I'm talking about. This sweep, beautiful zone. That's what Carlito sent in Discord. Beautiful sweep. He's in longs right now. Very nice. But at this point, this is just agonizing to see, bro. That's a beautiful trade missed. So there, bro. Good morning, man. It's going good, man. Actually, it's not going good. We should have hopped onto this date because we didn't do it because Trump started talking. That happened. Nimidam. Nimidam. I'm not sure what that means, Samlat, bro. Lucky for me, that hasn't happened yet. The SL not being respected. Sherry, bro, I'm happy that it didn't happen to you. I hope it doesn't happen to you, man. But yeah, I've blown accounts initially when I started with just news, bro. News candle came in, boom. The system didn't recognize my stop loss and then went straight through it, bro. And I got an email saying, sorry, bro, you're done for the day and for the account. Asian price action so clean. Carlito, yeah, bro. This guy came in between, or else we'll be sitting on this trade most probably, man. What is the running profit, bro? It's not running, bro. I couldn't take it because of Trump's speech. He's still speaking, I think. Um, Sherry, bro, can you do me a favor, man? Can you tell me when he stops speaking? It'd be really helpful, bro. Because I think he's still speaking, man. No trades for today, man. Don't worry. You helped me enter this buy, though. Gave me confidence. Thanks, bro. Carlito, you're welcome, man. I'm happy you entered that, bro. But I can't risk it, my brother. I just can't, man. I don't have it in me to blow this account with one small mistake. Damn. Will do. Thank you, bro. Sherry, thank you, man. Bro, that's yellow folder, right? Sai, it's yellow folder, yes, but that's the yellow man. Bro, if he says the war is back on or the war is stopped, you'll see market reacting very badly, bro. So you'll see big wicks going on left, right, and center, man. Yeah, Trump is speaking right now. It is happening, bro. So we can't risk it, boys. I won't risk my account on this. Sai, that's why I'm not in it, man. Yo, Sai, is your Discord okay, bro? Like, I'm getting notifications, but I can't see your messages, man. But we're missing good setups, boys. Are they good? Maybe. I don't know. Hi, bro. Balaji, bro. Welcome, man. I don't think I saw you yesterday, bro. What's going on? Is everything good? I sent a message, but I don't know what happened. Bro, I don't see a message, bro. I think something is wrong with Discord. Yeah, bro. Because I saw the notification come in saying hi, but when I went in, there was no message. So I thought maybe you deleted it. I don't know, bro. Check it out because in your Discord, it says a big minus right there on your DP. So check that out, bro. Balaji bro says blue few accounts. What happened, man? Is it because of news or you over traded or traded without a sell? What's going on, bro? Bro, that's D&D. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Over trading and disabled my risk manager to stay in trade. Bro, you shouldn't be doing that, man. Try not to do that next time, brother. It's okay that it happened. Your job is to make sure that it doesn't happen again, bro. So, congrats for thousand hundreds. Wait, what? Bro, that's not 110K subs, bro. Nidhi, that's 1104, bro. But again, thank you, man. Appreciate it, my brother. Bro, breaking news, Trump is dead and the price action is going to be normal. Trump, I think he's speaking right now, man. He's not been shot yet. 110K subs coming soon. Yeah, bro. It's coming soon, boys and girls. We will get there, man, eventually, bro. You put out good content and be transparent, be truthful to people, and help them, bro. We'll get there, man. We'll get to 1 million subs in the next 5, 6 years. That's all in the cards, boys. I just joined. Are you in a trade? Sid, no, bro. I should have been in this trade, bro, but the orange man is speaking right now, so I could not get into that trade. We're just watching in agony at this point because this trade has run to over a 1:8 and then it's kindly coming back. Let's see, man. Nice 100 plus subs in 2 days. Congrats, man. Thank you, bro, Balaji. Appreciate it, man. It's all the hard work paying off, boys and girls. People trust and recognize transparency, man. I'm happy about that. And bro, Balaji, thank you for subbing from multiple accounts to get me to 1,000 subs. That meant a lot to me, bro. Yeah, man. That's some hardcore trust and loyalty, bro. Sid says, okay, thanks, we'll be around. Sid, thank you, man. Yo, has he stopped speaking, bro? Shari, I think now he has. You should have taken this trade, bro. Account will recover. Bro, I should have, but I won't because of the fact that if we get one God candle like day before yesterday, I think that was, something like this happens. Where's that wick candle, man? When was the news thing happen? Yeah, something like this happened in the opposite direction, bro. Yeah, man. That'll blow my account right then and there, man. I can't risk that, boys. He, you deserve it, bro. Thank you, man. I think he finished the speech, bro. What makes the 3 on 3 entry different from the rest of the signals that shows on the chart? Um, Kalido. Oh, you're talking about all these other 3 on 3s, man? Okay, what does. Oh, all right. I understand the question. Kalido, there is a confluence that I use that I haven't given out on live yet or on the channel. That is the major difference. And also, if I get one with the confluence, that's the first one I'm taking, and all the other ones I'll just brush off. And I'm waiting for that signal to be tapped. Okay, that is the signal. So there is a secret sauce to it. I will reveal it in the next 10 days, boys. So be patient with me, yeah? Okay, yeah, now we have the confirmation. He's done speaking, boys. Love. Now I look for other entries. Sorry, man. Coming back to the questions. There we go. He's finished speaking. Thank you, guys. Okay. What a hammer. Power cut will be back. Shad, bro. Even here, there's going to be a power cut. I just learned yesterday. There's going to be a shutdown for the whole day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's going to suck. I don't have a choice. I have to sit with it. Secret masala. Yeah, man, there is a secret masala right there. I'm making the masala, but I will I will serve the dish soon. Are you planning to go for short or long after confirmation? Bro, it depends on the confirmation, boys. So this I'm not going to worry about this after this. So let's look for entries from here on, boys. He's done speaking. Whatever happened here, we will disregard. Excuse me. We don't need that indicator. So right now, boys and girls, we look for entries. That's the zone I'm targeting at this point. Up here, that's top and zone. Trump has finished. So man, that's a beautiful zone, bro. I wish we got this when the session started. That would have been nice to have. All right. I hope you find an entry, bro. Carlito, I hope I find a TP entry trade, man, for your sake and mine, man. He says, I hope it's a buy for my sake, lol. Let's see, man. Let's see what comes through because you never know what's going to happen. But I'll be vigilant for other 313 trades that comes through. I doubt it's going to come because we already got a trade which we couldn't take. So, so before that gets breached, I can't get into another trade, man. That's for 313. Okay, don't worry about that. Stop hunt is still valid. Boys, we can trade trades from these areas. All right. So I will wait for this and take it. Bro, it's long 313 in 5 minutes. Oh, right here. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Bro, Balaji, bro, I haven't back tested it in the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work out because of the fat entry size. Sorry, boys. I had a power cut the day before during the night and I didn't sleep properly. I haven't got enough sleep in the last 20, 48 hours. So apologies. So, boys, the 313 strategy in the 5 minutes might not work because of the fact that it has a big fat entry point and a stop loss. 313 works so well in the 1 minute time frame because it has a higher risk to reward, even when it has a very low risk to reward, I mean, a win rate. So, you guys, you can try it. You can try testing out 313 in the 5 minutes, but without the extra confidence I have, I think that won't help. So, you gotta trust me on this. You gotta wait for the sauce to be revealed or for me to show you which 313 zone to enter, right? So, patience, boys and girls. I'm trading XAUUSD. What's your advice for me? Sid, right now, bro, I don't have anything for you, man, because I only react to price when it gets to my zones. I'm still waiting, man. So I don't have a bias, bro. I'm not a biased guy. So apologies, man. I can't do it, bro. 1 second, boys. Yeah, I've been told that there's another 313 that is sitting. There are 313s that happened even after the fact that we missed that trade. I can't do anything about it at this point. I'm just talking to my best friend. Hold on, boys. All right. Good morning, Sachin. Welcome, bro. How's it going, bro? Dr. Kumar, sir, good morning. How are you? Thank you for joining. Hi, bro. Did you guys take any trades? Nah, man. We missed one because of Trump. I couldn't take it. Actually, we missed two because of Trump. I couldn't help it. He just stopped speaking. So we look for any other trades from here, man. Hold on, boys. Good morning, bro. Raj. How are you, man? We sell ammo because gold hasn't consolidated on a high time frame next. And when it does move, it'll be a huge move next week. How do you get these futures on? How do I get this futures on MT5? Bro, which broker or which prop firm are you using, man? XNS? I'm not sure how XNS works, man, because I haven't traded in it. Sid, to be honest, you don't. So, Sid, I only mark out my zones and look for entries here, but even I execute my entries on the gold spot chart, man. So as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't make a big difference, bro. If you're executing in a spot chart after looking at the futures, it's all going to be the same, man. Mostly. Ray, yeah, man, we did hit TP on yesterday's trade, bro. Let me show you, man. But that was a close call, though. So this is yesterday. We entered this live. So that was, yeah, this was the stop and zone that we were looking at yesterday. There you go. That's yesterday's trade. We entered right there. Bro, this took 11 hours, boys. 11 hours. 11 hours and 5 minutes, I think, to close. So someone, I think, who was it yesterday? Someone took a break even right here. Who was it? I don't know. Someone new. That's why I can't remember the name. Sorry. The price dropped initially, came back to break even. Someone took out break even. But you know me, boys. I don't take break even. So eventually, price went to TP. Glorious to see that. My account needed that. So good day yesterday. And we also caught, I think, one day before. Man, that was also sweet. This one we caught. I think we exited somewhere there. Because of the news, I didn't exit it during the news. I exited way before the news. So again, good TPs, boys. I think even this we took in live. I'm just happy, man. So let's see, boys, if we could catch the same thing today. Actually, we should have on the 1 minute because the 313 was right there. So this is what I'm talking about. I took this off because I was very pissed to look at this. So that's the supply. And with the buffer, it was a touch and go, but we never know what would have happened. That should have been the trade. But it is what it is, man. I couldn't take this because of Trump. Could have, should have, doesn't matter because at the end of the day, boys, P&L speaks a lot, right? So we'll wait for the next one, boys. Until and unless that trade gets breached, I will not enter another trade for 3 on 3 strategy. So that was a valid entry. I most probably would have been tapped in with that trade. So I'm not going to enter anything for 3 on 3. But that being said, I'm waiting for a trade with stop hunt, boys. I will get a stop on trade. I will take it. All right. Xness, okay. Okay, yeah, I use TradingView too. So, Sid, you can just watch the TradingView chart, man. Spot is fine, bro. That's XAUUSD. That's no worries, man. So what's next, boss? Bro, today news happened, so we waited for it. Now we wait for a setup to come to us rather than we going and chasing price. We'll wait for price to either take this high or even this will be an aggressive place to enter. That's aggressive right there. But if this gets taken along with this, we'll just wait for the proper stop on trade, man. So, but we will keep an eye on this if there's a reaction from this high. Okay, that's Ash right there. Bro, hats off for holding. I can never hold that long. I get too emotional. Only if it's really small position. Ray, do not think of it like you'll never do it. Bro, that's the wrong mindset to have. Think of it like, yeah, I'm not able to do it right now today, but eventually you have to get there, man. You have to train your mind to be Zen-like, to say, bro, this is the trade I'm in. That's the stop loss that's fixed. That's the TP that I look for. And until that's hit, I won't touch that trade. So keep saying that to your brain, man. Eventually it'll listen to you. But initially, I understand all the fear and greed coming into, the trading scenarios. Boys, you have to train your mind out of the fear and greed. Before you do that, if you get out of positions, just because, listen, imagine you're watching this live, right? So not this trade. Hold on. Pay attention, boys. Imagine you're watching this trade. Yesterday, same scenario, I was watching this live. So I was watching the whole thing. I'm like having popcorn, watching this thing, right? This happened at 5 p.m. I know for a fact that tomorrow there was news at 6:30, I think. This was news. This was a news candle, 6 or 6:30 candle. 6 o'clock, okay? Yeah, I remember. Hold on. Let's just go back. 6 o'clock was, yeah, 6 p.m. yesterday was unemployment claims. This is orange because that's weekly unemployment, but still, unemployment does have good reactions to it. So me and my best friend, we're actually thinking and sitting and thinking, what are we going to do? It is orange, but we can't risk the account. What are we going to do? And then we decided it's just an orange. Let's just let it be. So even before 5:30, price started moving against, man. When you're a trader, when price almost took your TP, now it's going against you just before news. What is your brain saying? My brain was screaming at me saying, Arvind, you've had enough, bro. Let's at least take a break even. That's my brain saying, man. That's my brain trying to protect me, protect my account. That's the usual reaction. Now, what am I thinking? I'm thinking, acknowledge this feeling, acknowledge that, yeah, it's your brain trying to protect you. The hell with it. Let it run. It's not a red folder news. Again, it's not Trump speaking like this morning. We will take it, whatever comes, right? That's it. 5:30 came. Poof, two more candles. TP hit. Boys, Ray, you got to understand the fact that it's okay to be scared. It's okay to be greedy, to exit profits early, but it's never okay to do it long term, man. You gotta think like a professional trader, bro. What'll he do, man? He'll be sitting there watching it, bro, like a monk, without emotions, man. Zero emotions, boys. So That's another ash right there. We're going to be aggressive today, boys. If this gets breached before this, we will look for a trade here, man. So at the end of the day, boys and girls, do not get your emotions when you're trading. Even when you do, try to practice it out of your trading process, because that's when. So in Hindi, there is an ad. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about it, for Mountain Dew. So they say, "Dar ke aage jeet hai." What what that means is, after the point of fear, there is victory. So do not fear. Go ahead. Okay, that's what that means. I love that ad because that's the truth, boys. Once you stop being fearful, man, that's when your life starts getting better. If you're trading, you're doing it right, you're in the right place, but you gotta go ahead, fear, man. 3 and 3 in 5 minutes. Bro, I don't take that, man. Hey, bro, how's it going, man? Wait, hold on. I know this. The zone has been breached, boys. I'll be looking for a trade here. Rajkumar, bro, welcome back, man. As Trump exploded, I slept today. Need to start my work pre-London. Let's see. Yeah, bro, he was the reason we didn't take a couple of trades today. It's fine. Sid, I'm confused. Are you taking XAU or what, please? Sid, sorry, man, I didn't see that message, bro. Sherry, thank you for taking that question, man. Yeah, man, I do take XAUUSD, bro. So don't worry. He's analyzing on gold futures, and I didn't get it. Sid, bro, I've backtested my strategy in the futures chart, and that's why I'm looking at the futures. Do not worry, man. My execution will be on the spot chart, okay? This is just where I look for my trades and where I look for my confirmations. You won't get this chart if you have a normal account. This chart is only for premium. It will be a delay if you're trying to get this chart. But don't worry, man. I got the chart for you, okay? Don't stress about this, man. Amit, bro, good morning, man. Rajat is asking, what do I mean by Ash? Bro, it's just an aggressive zone, bro. That's it. Aggressive stop hunt. Ash. Yeah, bro, professional traders are like that. They don't feel, they just execute. Exactly, Ray. That's how you should be, man. You should be feeling anything, bro. Once you have your setup that shows up, once you've determined that this is your entry, this is your stop loss, that's your TP, your job is to execute and then forget about it, bro. That's it. That's done. Unless and until you have news or you have a preceding strategy that tells you to go in the opposite direction, you're not going to exit from that trade. Boys, this is hard to see because I'm not sure what's going to happen in the next candle because I don't take over 2000 pips. Let's see. Okay, that's the break. I'm going to switch to the usual. So this doesn't matter, boys. I'm going to take this off because at this point, I don't care about that. But I care about the fact that price has to go below this. But when that happens, we can look for 3 on 3 trades. For now, we don't. So that's Ash right there. So, Sid, right now we are in the spot chart, man. That's Ovenda spot. Don't be fearful, man. So if we have a strong closure towards the downside before this getting breached, I will look for a sell here, boys. Let me whip out the new lot size calculator we devised. Okay, settings first. Go here. Settings. That should be 0 since this is stop hunt. That's $1,000 buffer. That should be dynamic because it's moving. Press OK. Here I'm resetting the points. That should be the entry candle. Stop loss candle is this one. So right now, because it's moving so much, I'll be able to see the lot size here when it moves, right? It's in real time. That actually helps. So boys, if this gets taken I will not consider this as a tapping candle because the next zone was tapped. Let's see if this gets taken in this candle. Let's wait and watch because that's the next zone, right? Yep, that's got tapped. So for now, I'm gonna hold off on this. See, the market was held up when Trump was speaking. Now it's moving. I like this, man. So let's just, yeah, thank you, bro. So now we can again look for 3 on 3 trades. I think we might get one soon, boys, because that's three, that's one. We need three more red candles. Okay, this is forming live, so I'm just showing you. Good morning. Sid says he got it now. I'm glad you got it, bro. Thanks, man. Okay, boys, we'll wait. I'll go down for tea in a bit after I get a trade. I'm just gonna lock in to see if you're getting a setup with. Hold on. Yeah, boys. This is breached also in futures. So we'll look for a trade from here, okay? That's Ash right there. Aggressive stop hunts. That's what it's called. It's actually a proper stop hunt. It's not even Ash, bro. This is a proper trade. Sorry. That's actually a good stop and zone, man. Yeah, so we'll wait for the next candle to give us the confirmation. Right now, we're just waiting, okay? Stop. So 5 more minutes, boys. Uh, good morning. Have a nice day. Rizwan, good morning, bro. You're amazing, man. He always says, have a nice day with good morning. You too, man. Have a great day, my brother. Looking forward to hit TP with you by God's grace. Sid, yeah, man. If you hit TP with me, I'll be very happy. But understand this, Sid. I'm going to take any trade that comes through with my strategy. It's out of my hands to hit TP or a sell, but we'll keep trying until we hit TP, man. I hope you understand that because there's higher chance. There's almost 50% chance that any trade that I take might go to a sell because that's the win rate I got. But since it's a 1:3, man, I'm surviving, bro. I'm still breathing. I'm still here, man. Aru, hi. Good morning. Why do you watch futures chart, bro? Sai, I think with my strategy that worked a little better in backtest. I backtested my strategy both in spot as well as futures. Futures, I think, is the forward moving chart. Futures gives the reaction first sometimes, and then spot follows. It just works better for me, man. The strategy works, I think, better than it. That's why I follow it, bro. Also, next candle is 30-minute candle. Nice, bro, Josh. That's good. Muhammad, sell call. I don't know, man. I'm waiting for the next 4 minutes to complete. So, if this is a strong down closing candle, bro, yeah, we will look for a sell, man. Definitely. Raj, welcome back, bro. Always happy to see your message, man. How are you? What's the win rate for stop and strategy for 1:3? Bro, it's somewhere between 35 to 55 percentage, bro. Depending on the month, that's the usual win rate, man. It's not heavy, but it's still very good because this strategy, I only stop hunt, sorry, I only have the stop and strategy to make my account float. because the 3-on-3 strategy is the main strategy that I got. If that gives me 2 trades per month with a 1:20 risk to reward, my account will fly, man. With this strategy, I just wanted to give me $1,000 a month max. Once this gives me 1,000, that 1,000 will be held for all the stop losses that I take with 3-on-3. And these both strategies work together side by side. So it's like a puzzle, right? It fits right well in. So yeah, I think we're getting another 3-on-3, boys. Hold on. Not yet, but yeah, I'm looking for that too. All right, boys. If this is a strong closer towards the upside, we're taking a buy here. Let's see what happens. I am going to go through the motions. Hold on. Disappoints. I'm just trying to take the SL right. Okay. That's the entry candle. That's the stop loss. So if we take a buy, it'll be something like this. Okay. But it depends upon how this candle wants to close. Right now, I'm just going to lock in, boys and girls. I will come back to your comments after this entry. Okay. All right. Where am I? All right. 1.5 minutes, boys and girls. Let's see if we get a buy or a sell. Right now, it's looking like a buy, but we will wait for this candle to close and then decide. Okay. Right now, this is how the trade will look. And if the candle closes here, hold on, I'm getting a call for tea. One sec. Yellow. 5 minutes. Yeah, that's my wife calling me down for tea. So this box is nothing but the indicator that will give me the lot size. It's just a lot size calculator. So don't worry about this box and the moving price. Okay. 48 seconds, boys and girls. If prices closes as is, that's the risk I'll be taking. Okay. That's the lot size. 27 seconds. Let's see. I need a strong closure here, boys. Looking good here. Let us see. 15 seconds. I'm in, boys. I'm in longs right there. That's the first trade for today. That's entry. That is stop loss. And that will become the TP. All right. It's beautiful. Nice reaction right out of the gate. What's it called? Hold on. I'm coming to the comments, bro. Hold on. All right. Sorry. I was locked in. I didn't see the comments. Yellow Photo News claims Trump is winning big in Iran. Yeah, man. He is. I'll wait for the retest. Okay. Lot size calculator available on TradingView. No, man. Rajat, That lot size calculator was from my best friend. He made it for me, and we use it now. It's not out. I will be giving out with the course, man. I don't think I'll be giving out for free with the 3-on-3 indicator. Yeah, I'll give that out for free, but that one has been reserved for the course, bro. I'm in longs. That's nice, man. Sai, thank you, bro. I didn't do it, man. Again, guys, I'm not the tech guy. The tech mastermind is my best friend, so credit goes to him, man. It is a sweet indicator, right? It gives you the lot size when the price is moving. So my best friend is he's a genius, man. He has good brains for this. I don't. Hope this comes back. Let's see, Raj. Trade logic. Nidhi, bro, that's a stop on right there, bro. You see this? Price made a stop on zone. Price came back, tapped the zone, gave us the entry candle. We're in, bro. That's it. Simple, bro. Nidhi, usual, man. Usual 9 yards, bro. Carlito says, glad it's a buy. Yeah, man. For now, it's just looking good. Let's see. So, boys, I'm just going to put the TP in here, and then I'm going to have tea and come back. Let's see what happens with this trade. Boys, if I get a different trade, I will let you guys know. For now, this is the trade. Yeah, man, it is active, Raj. Bro, guys, I'd highly recommend understand the strategy, try backtesting it. Then if you think that it's gonna work, you can apply it in your lives. These are only my trades that I'm showing you. You don't have to follow me blindly. Take that into account, people. T with TP. I hope that's the case, man. Raku, welcome to Discord, bro. The next zone I'll be looking for. Hold on. Let's quickly look at the next. Somewhere here, if this has been breached, that we don't care. This we have taken right now. So we'll wait for this, boys. Whatever happens here, we'll let it happen. All right. All right. I'm gonna go have tea and come back. I'm gonna let this run. We'll be back after. I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? And also come back when I get a 3-on-3. Three to the opposite side. So I might have to hop in this, man. If I get it. I hope I don't get it. Please. Yes, thank you. Woo! That was close. We almost got a 3 on 3 there. You see there's 3, 1, and then 3. That candle saved the 3 on 3. So this trade is still valid. Sorry, boys. I had to rush back to see if I got a 3 on 3 there. I didn't even start my tree break, man. Okay, boys. I'll be back again, man. My light timings, bro, it's 5:30 a.m. IST until 8:45. I'll be back in 10 minutes, boys. Sorry. Back, boys. Yep. Still struggling to pick the range. I don't like this price action because usually when price taps the stop and zone, it starts to fly. But it is what it is, boys. We will hold it. And let's see. Let's see. 5:30 to around 8 a.m. There we go. Thank you, bro. There's one. Thank you for saying that, man. That's the timings, boys. It's about to go up. I'm ahead of this time. 2:20 a.m. here. Sid, where are you from, my brother? Sundar, bro. 323. That's a strategy, man. I'll give you the link to the videos, bro. Hold on. Excuse me. So those are the strategy, boys. If you haven't checked it out, no worries, man. Bro, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining the live stream. I do have the strategy links for you on there. You just check it out, my brother. Welcome, by the way. Happy to have you here, man. All right, tea break is done. Let's see if this goes to TP, boys. It's kind of hot in Chennai, boys. I'm not sure how it's there in your place, but it's very hot in the morning, man. It's not even 8 a.m. But I've started on GBP USD also. Raj, that's good, bro. How's that going so far, man? You getting good results with GBP? Today is my second day. Yesterday was according to plan, but took a sell. But entry price was wrong. That's fine, bro. Bro, try doing it for. So you've backlisted, right? So have you done it, you know, in paper for a bit in live? Because once you do paper trading in live, bro, at least for a week, then you understand the strategy more, man. Before you deploy your capital, my brother, Raj, try doing it with paper on live, man. Just paper live sessions. That's it. That's awesome, man. If you're doing it, bro, start with small quantities and then increase the risk little by little after you get the data, right? All the best, man. I hope that works for you, brother. If I get a valid 313 here towards the upside, bro, now that'll be awesome to take that too. So there were days wherein I caught 313s as well as top on TPs together. Those days were the days we banked, man. That's good money in those, bro. Two strategies giving trades in same direction and giving TPs together. There's nothing else you can ask for. So let's see when that day comes after this. If it's today, I'll be happy, man. Currency pair also good, but it needs patience. Yeah, bro, I totally agree, man. You need a lot of patience with currency pairs, bro. But they do move good, though. Good morning, bro. KJ, how's it going, man? Welcome back, bro. I was just checking if price took the previous high. I have a question. Like, if I choose funded Friday, funding pips, any of the prop firms, how to use the account for trading? Like, where's the terminals I have to use? Bro, good question, man. If you, let's say, choose funding pips, they'll give you options wherein you can execute your trades. So with me, this is where I execute my trade. This is called C Trader. But for this, you have to be paying more, man. This is called C Trader. You'll see this symbol. I think this will cost you 20 bucks extra to get the C Trader version because I think it's an external thing for them. But great place to be, man. I didn't mind spending the extra $20 because this gives me peace of mind. Because MT5 is something else that is free that you can use. I don't think that was as good as this, man. This you can calculate the lot size much easier. The execution becomes much easier for you. So to be honest, man, you get these things, but you have to do it. You have to pick it when you're buying the account, bro. So they'll have multiple platforms. You know when you buy it, okay? Just pick the one that you think is good with all the research that you've done. So again, do the research, my brother. Man, price is so tightly wound in this range, man. Look at this. This is 5 candles altogether. That's 5 minutes. So tightly wound. If this breaks to either side, it's going to break violently, man. I hope it's towards the upside. KJ, did that make sense, bro? Rejection hammer. Sid, is that the strategy you're looking for, man? Is it just the candles that you trade with, bro? Because this is the second time I think you've said that. Yeah, man. Thanks for the info. I think it'll be great if some day we can talk one-on-one. Sure, bro. KJ, when you pass an account and take a payout, bro, let me know. It's my treat, bro. All right? I'll be more than happy to meet you, man. Yeah, Sid, I know it's a candlestick, bro. I'm just asking if that's the strategy you're looking for. There she goes. Wait, not yet. Hold it. You swept it, now go up. Um, Almost there. I'm still in it, I think. Yeah, I'm still in the trade. Come on, buddy. You've done the sweep now, you can go up. Nice, too hesitant. Is that. Oh, is it? Is that for real? Oh, the meetup? Yeah, man. I give my word, bro. Once I give it, I'll make sure that I'll follow through, man. Get an account, pass it, get a payout. Lunch is on me, bro. My SL hit, bro. Aru, I'm still breathing, man. I don't think for long, though. Hold on. Yeah, I'm out too, boys. That's number one for today. All right, on to the next. So I'm thinking of considering this, the zone itself. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, if this gets breached, boys, I'll look for trades from here. That's the first trade. We have three more trades to go for today. Balaji is also up for that challenge. Bro, you're a seasoned trader, man. Bro, I said it to KJ because he's brand new to trading and I want to give him some motivation. I think the most important part is where you can meet one on one and discuss and have a productive talk with the lunch. Yeah, bro. That's the whole point, right? Where we can meet. Bro, anywhere in Chennai, man, you pick it. Or if I come to Coimbatore, we can do it. Wait, let me confirm. Oh, KJ is Gujarat, right? Sorry, bro. But even then, I'll fly somewhere, man. Let's meet somewhere. Yo, initially I thought you were from Chennai, but what does it matter, man? Even if you're in Gujarat, bro, I'll fly out there. Oops. Oh, God. Hold on, boys. Hold on, boys. I'm coming to the chat. All right. I'm not going to consider this. Okay. For now, this is the zone I'm looking at. Let's see what the next candle wants to be. And let's take it right from there, right? 3 on 3. Is there anything? 3 2 3 might be happening, but way too much price action, man. Way too much price action. All right. Okay. I'll be back for you. Even though I'm new, I'll take the challenge seriously. That's the spirit, brother. KJ, we'll do that, man. I'm a fresher too. Last 2 to 3 months. Sid says he's a fresher too. Bro, bro, that's a one-time offer, man. Because I can't be flying all over the globe just to meet new traders who have passed and got a payout, man. Really not in the mood of faking trades today, but go in any way with a shot. Bro, Ray, what does mood has to do with trading, bro? I don't think there's nothing to do with trading, man. If you have your setups, my boys, you take it. If not, you just wait for it. I'll fly to meet when I become consistently profitable. Now that is a good deal. I'll take that deal, my brother. I'm in Chennai. Fly in. Again, lunch is on me. Definitely, bro. If you get to Chennai, man, let me know. We'll meet up, Sid. Bro, Sid, where are you from, man? All right, boys, we're waiting for the second trade. Let's see if we get one. No problem, G. Africa, Gambia. That's awesome, bro. What time is it there, man? Dang, this is why I got out too early, man. Should held it to TP. Ray, and your emotions, man. You're just beautiful. How about flying together someday at some other location and having a lunch? Bro, KJ, I do have a plan to fly you guys. I mean, sorry, to book a resort maybe for a couple of days, a weekend, next year or the year after. I'll tell you guys. So let's get a neutral location like Thailand or something like that. I will sponsor the day, the stay for 2 days, the food and all that. All you have to do is fly there, and we'll do like a meetup, man. My community meetup. How does that sound? A lot of people are ready, man. 2:39 a.m. said, bro, that's hardcore, bro. You're trading all night, man. That's nice. Just before down move. All right, boys. Hash known has been taken. We look for the second trade here. We have 3.5 minutes. Let's see what happens. It's really good. I'm fully ready. We'll be happy to be a part of it from Kenya. Bro, that's awesome, man. I'll be happy that you guys will make it. So let's make it a thing, boys. This is my promise. Next year and 99.5% next year and or early the year after. If you guys still with me, it's on me, bro. The weekend is on me. All you have to do is just fly to Thailand. I'll book a resort for you guys. Couple of days, food on me, bro, as well as the resort. Okay, how does that sound? That's a great deal. Let's do that, boys. You stick with me long enough, boys. We'll have some fun. Trust me. All right. If this closes strongly towards the upside, we're gonna take a buy here. I'm gonna lock in, boys. Give me 5 minutes, at least 2 minutes. Let me put this trade, and I'll talk to you boys in a bit. Let's go to. That's the first trade done. We will look for the second entry. Okay. All right. So if it does turn out to be a long, which I'm not sure it will be, this is the zone I'm talking about. And remember, there's another zone right here, the stop on zone. We got to be very careful about this, man. It's very close to us. So that's stop on number two. If that's the zone tab, we will be looking for a long. That's the calculator out. And settings, zero, dynamic, 1,000. Got it. Then I put reset points. If the entry candle, that's the stop loss candle. There you go. So if the candle closes as this, I'll be entering with 0.07 lots. That's $50 from my end. Reacting pretty heavily. I do like this. But either way, we're going to get in. All right, 55 seconds, boys and girls. This will be the second entry and the last entry for stop on today. And let's see if this works out. The last trade we took yesterday worked out pretty well. Beautiful 1:3 TP. Hopefully this does too. Waiting. Always wait for confirmations, boys. I don't have the confirmation yet. 32 seconds for this candle close. Thirteen seconds. Looks like if it closes as this, I'll be in, man. I'm in, boys. I'm in longs here. Excuse me. That's a trade. That's stop loss. Thank you. And that will be TP. That's the second and last trade for this strategy today. Let's see what happens. Guys, I will show you a very similar scenario if this works out because I've seen this happen again twice in the last 2 weeks. Very sweet, man. If this works out, bro, that'll be perfect. All right, I'm coming back to the chat now. Shit. Before that, hold on. All right, I'm back to the chat. Perfect deal. I have a lot of takers here for the weekend stay. Let's do that, man. I'll be grateful, but our one-on-one will not be there. 101 is just you and me, bro. Oh, so one-on-one is just you and me. Bro, KJ, that's a different deal, man. This resort thing is a whole different thing. If you get your payout, bro, we're gonna meet up one-on-one. Maybe we'll fly in between or I'll fly there, okay? Gujarat is a nice place to be. I want I want to watch a cricket match from the stadium in Gujarat, man. That I want to do, bro. So I'll come there for that. We'll have a one-on-one, my brother. Don't worry, man. It's just you and me, brother. IGG says, hey, bro, past account got first payout, $867. Congrats, bro. I'm very happy for you, man. That's amazing, bro. First payouts are always sweet because that tells you that you're doing something very, very right and good. Good job, my brother. Congrats, man. Rajat just joined. Rajat, he's a good trader, man. He's very new. Sorry, he's a very new trader. So I have a deal with him that if he passes the account first and then gets a payout, I'm gonna buy him lunch. We're gonna have a one-on-one with lunch. The lunch is on me. Excuse me. He's from Gujarat. I forgot that. I didn't think about it when I was saying it, but now that I said it, I will fly to Gujarat, man. So we will watch a cricket match together and then have lunch, my brother. Excuse me. Guys, sorry, I'm having throat issues. Apologies. Guys, we have so sorry, man. Please come to Sri Lanka. Bro, yeah, man. I have a lot of humble people here asking me to come to their places. I will, man. I will try, bro. When I do get to Sri Lanka, I'll text you up, man. Never, bro. DM me, man. Make sure that you don't make me forget. I will come there. Guys, I've seen the same exact scenario, man. You see this? First, a big wick sweep, and then coming back to a low sweep before the wick, and then going towards the upside. I've seen this, man, in the last 2 weeks. Let me find that out for you guys. Yeah, bro. This was the last TP. It's the same thing that happened, man. Look. So big wick, okay? Focus, boys. Big wick prior to the session in New York the day before. Smaller zone that was created, and that was violated with a huge wick, and then entry. Price went to TP, bro. Same exact scenario, boys and girls. Same exact scenario. Look at that. Almost the same. The last time this wick was manipulated, but this time it's just this small area. Even then, I remember seeing that, bro. That small wick being manipulated. Wait, wait, wait. This is happening again and again. I like that. Yeah, right here. We took this TP2. Same thing. Okay. Boys, attention, please. This happened earlier to the session. So, same big zone to the left, and then smaller zones. Price went up, came back again to sweep one of the ash zones, and then went off aggressively to the upside. I think that's what's happening right now. I think. Let's see, boys. We're on the right trajectory, man. If this works out, man, you guys, that's perfect. Come to Goa. See, I'm gonna note this all down. When I get there, boys, you're gonna make sure you're gonna meet me, all right? I'll soon finish my second month course, probably next week or the following. You're you're doing a course, bro? Is that what you're saying, man? Discord link is broken, bro. I don't know. I'm not able to use it, bro. A lot of people are joining Discord. I'm not sure what's happening. I will get that link for you, man. Excuse me, bro. If this works out, man, this is the third TP we're taking the same exact scenario for the last in the last week. Copy. Hold on, boys. Bro, I've pasted the link on the chat, man. Try this link, bro. Let me know if it's not working. Missed your message. Sorry, man. Wish. Oh wow, I could wish I can join, but as you know, I'm still trading on demo account only. Rajat, don't worry, man. You will get to. Yeah, Dr. Kumar just sent something in Discord, so I was just looking at it. I will check that out, sir. Don't worry. Hold on. Rajat, bro, we'll join, man. Don't worry. I will try to meet all of you guys at some point in my life. I like your trading style, boss. Thank you, man. I'm happy you do, bro. Thanks for showing this indicator, man. I'm creating the same for my strategy as well. It's literally useful. Yeah, man, bro. Guys, the reason why this indicator was created, the lot size indicator, is because we ran into an issue. Okay, I'll show you the issue initially. So, guys, the issue was this: the profits we were taking, right? The issue was the profit. This was after the indicator, we hit it on perfect. So I was targeting a $150. We hit 154. That's perfect. But on the trades before that, look at this. This should have been $150. I got the lot size wrong. Okay, that's I lost $80 here in this TP. Okay, before that, this should have been 300. That's what $43 less from the TP. Okay, you can add this up. 43 and $10 over target, which is always good. But in a lot of trades, my take profits were not 300. I'm expecting 300 because every time I'm losing 100, right? Or even more for that matter. But when I'm winning, I'm not getting the whole 300. So look at this, 281. That's 288. I'm losing money. That's just 100. Okay, hold on. That's 200. And then that's $20 less. That's $11 less. Yeah, that's 33 over. But collectively speaking, we're just losing money, man. $40 less almost. That's a different trade. Okay, hold on. These are all 313 trades. Disregard the 313 trades. Oh, this is a sweet stop on trade. Even here, $22 less. So the issue was that we were taking less when we're taking a profit, and we're losing the same amount when we're losing. So $100 if I lose, sometimes I'm losing 110, 120. But when I'm winning, I'm just winning 280, 260, something like that, right? So the problem was that my best friend solved it with this indicator right here, boys. It will give me the right lot size when the price is happening. So if this is where the candle closes, you see this lot size, it's going to change in that second. So that gives me the right lot size when it's happening. So all credits to him. Good job, my brother. Sai, if you can replicate that, man, you're a legend because I I don't know head to tail from all this tech, how to create indicators and all that. My best friend is the tech guy in the team, so he does all that for me, man. All right, no link invalid. Voice, hold on. I'll give you a better link. But how are these people joining in though? How? Two people joined after that. But don't worry, I'll get you the link. Invite to server. Use copy button. Edit, invite link. Never, no limits. Grant temporary membership. No. Create new link. Copy. Hold on. I'm just gonna paste it in the chat, boys. I hope that works now. And I'm also going to put that in the notes. That's the new link. Yep, that's data. Let me know if that works, man. Wait, did I post it? Why don't I see it here? Did I do it right, boys? Why don't I see the link? Hold on. What is happening? Try this. Excuse me. Try that link, my brother. Sai says, no, bro, till you can call when the price moves. Invalid again? What is going on? Excuse me. So I'm in the right place, right? So invite to server, edit invite link, never, no limits when they disconnect unless rule has been assigned. Generate new link. Why is this hidden? Am I doing this right or what's going on, boys? Help me out here, man. I used some other server links. It was working. Okay. But not this. Got it. Okay. Let's create new link then. Bro, send me. I'll paste it here. Bro, I'm not able to get it, man. Copy. Uh, yeah, bro, tell me, man. KJ, what's going on? Can you see that yet? Why is why is this not showing up? The hell with YouTube, man. I'm not sure if this is the same link, boys. Give me some time, man. Let's figure this out. KJ, you said don't listen, and then you didn't say anything, man. It doesn't open. If it does not help you, then try this. Try to share the link of the public channel, which is open to everyone. Try copying the invite link for that channel. For example, generate a public chat, etc. Okay, let me try that. Okay, this is running very nicely for now. Um, okay, go here. That didn't work. Try to share the link of the public channel. Okay, invite to channel, copy, paste that. Why is it the same goddamn link? I don't know. Give me 1 second, guys. I might get a 3 on 3 here. Okay, not valid. Hold on. So let me. Is it the same link? No sleep, having headache already tomorrow. All right, bro. Sid, talk to you tomorrow, man. Guys, it's the same damn link, bro. I don't know what's happening. I think this is the same damn thing. Sai, thank you, man. Guys, try that, bro. I'm not sure why this is not working, man. Sai, appreciate it, man. If it works, thanks to you, bro. Guys, I'll be here for the next 14 minutes. So if you have any questions, say your piece now. It's not working yet. I'm sorry, boys. What's my ID? What is my ID? How do I get the ID, boys? So where do I go to get the? Let's see this TP, man. It's gonna be glorious, man. Give me 5 minutes, boys. I will try to get you the stuff for Discord, but this is glorious. This is why we do it for. Hold on, let's just watch the trade for now. Try another chat channel. Send me your Discord ID. Yeah, man. I'll send you my Discord ID. Hold on. Boys, that'll be a perfect TP if we get it. Almost there, man. That's a beautiful 1:3 right there. Great way to start the day, bro. Guys, I'm trying to get the ID. Hold on. And we do have a 3-on-3, boys and girls. Attention, please. So let's forget about that. That's 3-1-3. If price decides to come back, I will enter on this. That's the lot size calculator. I'm going to put that into manual. 400 pip buffer up for the entry, 400 pip for the SL. Press OK. Go here to reset points. That's the entry. That should be the stop loss. So if price decides to come back, boys, I will take that, man. 0.14 lots will be the lot size. So let's see. Hold on. Let me just put that trade on. But we're almost to TP, boys. That's the second trade for today. Hold on. But it's running way too much, though, for my liking. Guys, I'll come to the chat. Hold on. Almost. Come on, buddy. Give it to me. What's the running profit account status, bro? Right now, it's at almost. It's running at $116 right now. This trade, we're targeting a 150, so almost there. And account status, we're getting back from deep in the red, bro. I'll show you the account after this. Hold on. Try another chat channel. Bro, I will get it to you, bro. Let's just watch this glorious thing happen live. Please give me 1 minute. Send me your Discord ID. I will. Running profits, okay. First trade I took SL, but this trade I didn't take. Bad luck for me. Bro, that's hard luck, man. How you still how are you still holding? My God, this is scary. Ray, I'll only close when it hits TP, man. I'm not gonna touch my trade, bro. I'll only close. No, even then I won't close, bro. I'll let it take my TP. I'm feeling good after your TP hit. I know the pain, macha. Understand, man. Bro, after having a week like I had last week, this TPs are amazing, man. This is the second TP since yesterday. If it gets there, we're very close. Let's see. But, bro, it's amazing profit again with you. Only thanks to you so much. You're welcome, bro. Thank you for trusting me, boys and girls. I know you guys are awesome. You guys watch me every day, even when I'm hitting stop losses day in and day out. I know that takes a lot. to watch someone, even when he does take stop loss. Almost there, boys. Almost there. Come on, let's go. I'm so happy for this because this is back-to-back TPs. Another green day, boys. Let's get it, man. Fuck yeah. Let's go. One TP and one SL. I'll take it all day long. We're up $100 for today. Guys, we're getting the account back. Now I'm making strides in the account. All right. I'm going to see if the 3-on-3 trade is still valid, because if price comes back, I'll have to make sure that it's valid. So I'm just going to take this off for now. Hold on. That is the zone. Give me 1 second, boys. That should have been the entry. Stop loss is still here. And 1:8 is where I'll reject this zone. No, man, it's still valid, bro. I'm still keeping that entry for now. Let's see if that comes through, okay? But now, let's just bask in this trade. That was glorious. Guys, you saw it live. We took it. I'm glad that if you've taken profit, GK, IGT got 1K. That's awesome, bro. Congrats, man. You're welcome, bro. Shiv, let's go, man. Bro, regardless of how many losses, we'll make it back, bro. Boys, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 losses before we got another TP with this strategy. But after we took that TP, we're taking 3 TPs in 4 days. That's how you recover an account, boys. Yeah, I'm still not back yet. I will get back. So account is right now is 23,362. To get back to the usual risk that I take, I need this to be at 23,750. So I will get back to the normal trades. I still have that order sitting here. Price has gone way too far, but let's see if it comes back. Boys and girls, second positive day since yesterday, which is always nice to see. And I know we have an issue with Discord. I will try to get this sorted. Hold on, let me work on that. Let's go, lol. Don't be emotional, guys. Yeah, man. But I am emotional, bro, Ray, because last week was tough, man. I'm sorry. Passed one more account. Bro, congrats, man. You're welcome, boys. Mohammed, welcome, bro. Next time, I'll use 0.1 lot size. Sid, this is for you. Do not take trades in terms of lot size, okay? That's not how this works. Sid, you have to take trades with regards to the stop loss. The stop loss pips is all that matters. Sometimes stop loss will be small. Sometimes the stop loss will be very big. If you knew, get this to your brains, bro. Your lot size matters on the size of the stop loss. If the stop loss is small, fine. If the stop loss is big, maybe 2,000 pips, you won't be taking the same lot size as a smaller stop loss. So you have to calculate the pips, my brother. Don't make this mistake, man. I know someone made it yesterday and lost a lot of money. So that's why I'm saying this to you. Sorry, I had sunlight coming in. So take that to your brain, brother. Admin does, bro. I will. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with Discord. So once I get the problem figured out, I will put the link in this video itself. Boys, give me some time. I'm almost done with this live session, so I won't be able to figure this out. I will get you the link in this video. Just look out for the links that is coming in this video later in the day, okay? IGT, I'm not gonna forget you, man. Don't worry. And KJ, don't worry, man. KJ, thanks, bro. Again, guys, it's okay that you have rough patches, but it's not okay to give up. Guys, you will get it back. That's 3 TPs in 4 days. That's 1:3s, remember. Again, this is what I'm trying to tell you, boys. This is all that matters. We have taken 17 losses This month, you've taken only 60 Ps. Do you want to see what that amounts to? Let me show you. 17 losses is $1,700, right? So $100 per loss if you're risking 100. So how many TPs was it? We're taking 6 TPs. Six multiplied by $300 each. If you're risking $100 per trade, that's 1,800 minus 1,700. That gives you a positive $100. Okay, if I had the same TP, I toned down a bit in terms of risk when I was entering because my account was in deep red because of this strategy, which is in another topic. But even if you took only 6 profits, even after taking 17 stop losses, we are in the positive. Guys, that's what you gotta remember. You don't need a 90% win rate, boys. Take this to your head. You don't need it. If you want to be profitable, all you need is a decent strategy that works. If you're taking stop losses back to back in your strategy, it's fine. Do not strategy hop from one strategy to the next and try to find a strategy with 90% win rate. It's not required, man. I'm saying this again and again because a lot of you guys are still strategy hopping from one to the next. Guys, even if the strategy works 30% of the time with a 1:3 win rate, sorry, 1:3 risk to reward, you're good to go, man. Okay. In the mentorship, in the course that I'm building, I'll be talking about this in extent, but it's important that you get this right, okay? Sid says he trusts me. That's nice, bro. Congrats. Below right corner, you see your name on the Discord ID. Okay. All right. Let's try if we can figure this out, man. All right. Below right corner, what do I see? Where, bro? Why is there streamer mode enabled? Bro, I'm trying to figure out where I am. Okay, that's me. That's my profile. Where's the ID, my brother? That is sharp. Bro, 5:30 a.m. in the morning IST. So whenever Tokyo is beginning, I'll be live, man, for 3 hours and 15 minutes. I don't know where to find it, boys. Where's the ID, man? I'm pretty sure that's me. Guys, I'll find you the link for Discord. Don't worry. I should have it, okay? Copy username. How? Guys, I'm struggling with tech again. I hate tech. Okay, that's what I was. Sai, do I click it, man? I mean, change avatar, change decoration, remove avatar. Boys, don't worry, man. It's gone. I will get you the Discord link tomorrow or today. Today, I'd get the link. I'll post it in the comments of this video. You guys can check it out. Guys, I've stayed way too long over my timings. Congrats to the ones who've taken this TP. What a beautiful trade. I will update this in Discord with the proof that this was taken live as usual. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining live. I hope you guys are learning from my mistakes and also seeing TPs on the live. All right. This is Arvind Rangaswamy signing off. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I think next week, because this is Friday, boys and girls, this is me signing off for this week. What an amazing week we had in terms of take profits. I'll see you guys next week, 5:30 a.m. So whenever Tokyo starts, I'll be sitting here and smiling, even if you're taking stop losses. Take care, boys and girls. Have a great weekend. Bye.